Chainsaw Man ranks number 1 on US monthly Bookscan November list. 90 manga volumes rank including Shuna's Journey, Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia, more. Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man manga ranked at number 1 on MPD Bookscan's top 20 adult graphic novels list for November. This month's list featured 19 manga volumes including number 1, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 1, number 2, Volume 2, number 3, Hayao Miyazaki's Shuna's Journey, number 4, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 3, number 5, Koyohara Kotogi's Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Volume 1, number 6, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 4, number 8, Koyohara Kotogi's Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Volume 2, number 9, Koi Horikoshi's My Hero Academia Volume 32, number 10, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 5, number 11, Volume 9, number 12, Volume 7, number 13, Koi Horikoshi's My Hero Academia Volume 1, number 14, Gigi Akutami's Jujutsu Kaisen Volume 1, number 15, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 10, number 16, Tatsuya Endo's Spike's Family Volume 8, number 7, Gigi Akutami's Jujutsu Kaisen 0, number 18, Tatsuki Fujimoto's Chainsaw Man Volume 11, number 19, 1 and Yosuke Murata's One Punch Man Volume 24, and number 20, Naoya Matsumoto's Kaiju number 8 Volume 4.